Welcome to another book summary video. In this video, we'll be exploring the world of investment and finance with Peter Lynch's Beating the Street. Peter Lynch is one of the most successful investors of all time, and in this book, he shares his philosophy on investing and how he achieved such remarkable success. Chapter 1. The Winning Philosophy. Peter Lynch's winning philosophy is based on common sense, sound principles, and personal experience. He explains that in order to be a successful investor, one must have a clear understanding of the companies they invest in. He advocates for doing extensive research and using one's own intuition to make informed decisions. Chapter 2. Picking Winners. Lynch believes that picking winners is not as difficult as it seems. He advises investors to look for companies with strong fundamentals, such as good management, solid earnings growth, and a competitive advantage. He also stresses the importance of buying stocks at a reasonable price and avoiding overpriced stocks. Chapter 3. The Wall Street Jungle. The stock market is full of pitfalls and dangers, and Lynch provides some valuable advice on how to navigate this jungle. He warns investors about the dangers of blindly following the herd mentality and advises them to do their own research and not to be swayed by the opinions of others. Chapter 4. Stock Picking Strategies. Lynch shares several stock-picking strategies that he has used successfully over the years. He advocates for investing in companies that are underappreciated by the market, as these companies often have great growth potential. He also recommends investing in companies with a long-term outlook and strong financials. Chapter 5. Do-it-yourself investing. Lynch believes that individuals are capable of making their own investment decisions without the need for professional advice. He encourages investors to take charge of their own finances and to do their own research, as this can often lead to better investment decisions. Chapter 6. Keeping it simple. Lynch stresses the importance of simplicity in investing. He advises investors to avoid complex financial products and to stick to what they understand. He also encourages investors to have a long-term outlook and to avoid making hasty investment decisions based on short-term market movements. Chapter 7. The Mutual Fund Game. Mutual funds have become an increasingly popular way for individuals to invest in the stock market. Lynch provides some insights into the mutual fund industry and advises investors on how to choose the right mutual funds. He also warns investors about the dangers of high fees and hidden costs associated with some mutual funds. Chapter 8. Building the Perfect Portfolio. Building a portfolio is a crucial aspect of investing. Lynch provides some practical advice on how to build a portfolio that is diverse, low risk, and high return. He advises investors to invest in a mix of stocks, bonds, and other financial instruments, and to rebalance their portfolio regularly. Chapter 9. The Final Scorecard. In the final chapter, Lynch summarizes his philosophy on investing and shares some final thoughts on how to succeed in the stock market. He encourages investors to stay disciplined, to do their own research, and to be patient. He also emphasizes the importance of having a long-term outlook and not being swayed by short-term market movements. And that concludes our summary of Peter Lynch's Beating the Street. We hope you found this video informative and useful. Remember, investing is a long-term game, and success requires discipline, patience, and a clear understanding of the companies you invest in. So go out there, do your own research, and happy investing.